Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I am Elaine and today we are going to have a little haul. I won another competition with PaperWrld. I won a $100 voucher this time. Same type of thing. It was a prompt for creating a junk journal spread and I won a $100 voucher. So this is what I got in this very small box for $100 worth of stuff. So let's take a look. So this is the shop, the website, PaperWrld. So where I won the €100 voucher was on their group on this site called School. It's kind of like, I haven't actually used Skillshare, but it seems to have that kind of idea behind it. It's like a learning platform. And then in PaperWrld has a group for people to share anything about junk journaling with one another. They don't really have classes or anything, but it's that type of a website. So now, this is what I got. I got a bunch of small things with my voucher. And I got a few things that were on sale. So let's just take a look at what I got. So first we have this really cute little thing of cheesecakes. So really nice little collection of vintage advertisements and magazine pages, all to do with food. I'm planning, well, I have started a foodie journal that I really want to do more in. So that is what this is for. This little astrology book. It's so cool. I love the little size of it. And this has loads of occult images and it's on that partially transparent paper. I think it's acid paper. And we have this one. Another little book of very nice images. Then we have this dictionary library series. So it's just definitions and I chose from A to B. And then we have this. Gorgeous collection of papers, nice colors, greeny kind of tones and a few different textures, greens and creams, nice earthy tones. Another nice collection of papers, nice brownie tones in this one, and they are textured as well, kind of like canvas, but much thinner obviously. Then we have a very pretty collection of flower stickers. These are so pretty. I love the colors and I love the little gold accents on them. Next we have this little collection of, I think it's called acid paper. Love this. Love it. I've been working on a lot of mushroom themed stuff at the moment, so this is just perfect. Really excited to use this. I just made a mushroom planner that I absolutely love. It took me 2 months to get it right. Now we have another paper collection. Always getting paper collections. I love it when they come like this, wrapped with twine, because then I get some lovely twine as well. For that. So this has some little stickers in it as well, little label stickers. Very pretty, really nice. And then really pretty paper. Lovely this is. Like vintage wallpaper. So pretty. Now we have another one of these. Autumn flowers this time. Perfect. some more little stickers and labels. Gorgeous, more vintage wallpaper styles. Just beautiful. Really, really love the colors. So next we have these stickers that are like pieces of, oh man, they are so stuck together with static. They're like film or negatives, but really they'd be positives like slides. So these are so pretty. I really like these. Now we have a little sticker book. So we've got a few labels and some stamps, numbers, a few pieces of like ephemera style stickers. Beautiful, very happy with that. I tried the text stickers again. These could be hit and miss, but I wanted to get ones with some different writing styles on it. Yeah, a bit of nonsense again. But it's fine, it's really all about how it looks anyway, so yeah. These are little cards that you can use to create your own slides. So we can put a little picture, we do a little picture here and then fold this over and we have our own little slide. So just fun little things to put into pockets and stuff like that in a journal. So this is just a collection of stamps. Love stamps. I don't use them near as much as I would like to use them. Just a little collection of images on different styles of papers. Really lovely pictures. Kind of things that you would see on Unsplash actually. We have another little collection of stickers that I'm dropping everywhere. So these are all coffee themed. Kind of remind me of like Instagram posts actually. Or Pinterest posts. That's what they kind of look like. And then we have a collection of leaf stickers. I love adding leaves just as an accent piece on a journal spread. I think they just give that little bit that might be missing. So these are all fern leaves, I love. Another collection of text stickers. These ones make sense. Well, most of them do. Go down to bit. Yeah, nice collection and most of the phrases make sense. I got another tweezers. I find, yeah, that's better. The one I have already, it meets up here before it meets down there, and I often, they don't work very well, so this is perfect. Then I got 2 rolls of washi tape. So this one is a collection of mushrooms in mostly reddish tones. Love it, really, really happy with this. Perfect for my current project. And then this one is some washi style labels. Lovely. Very nice colours in this. So that is everything that I got with my voucher. Really, really happy with everything I got, and I will link PaperWrld school page down below so you can check it out, see if you want to join it, and I will have a blog post listed below with everything that I got here that you can check it out if you want to. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.